Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you how to replace a power socket outlet. This is the power socket outlet, a 2-gang power socket that I'm going to replace. It was blown this morning and tripped the power supply to my apartment. The cause could be due to the overheating of the electrical appliance when it happened. Anyway, some safety precaution tips to take note of. Make sure that the electricity supply at the main is temporarily switched off before proceeding to the replacement. You may want to alert your family members before switching it off. It won't take long to replace a power socket outlet, maybe less than 10 minutes. Next, you may want to wear a rubber glove, something similar to what I'm wearing, and also a pair of rubber shoes to insulate ourselves just in case. You never know. Before I proceed, appreciate it if you can click like and subscribe button at the bottom right of this video and be among the first to be notified whenever I have new video uploaded to my channel. Let's begin. Unscrewing the power socket outlets from the wall and pull it to examine the condition of the electrical wires. There should be wires there, each connected to live, neutral and earth. The condition of the wire seems okay. It means the problem is simple by just replacing a new power socket outlet. However, if the condition of the wires is bad, for example, the rubber insulation wearing off, exposing the copper wires, may want to look further to check if the rest of the wires are also in bad shape and may need a rewiring. Luckily, this is not the case here. Take note also the position in the new power socket outlets of the connectors for connecting live, neutral and earth may be different to the existing one. I'm going to be very careful by unscrewing and releasing each wire from the old power socket outlets and moving it to the new power socket outlet to screw it to the respective connector one by one, live to live, neutral to neutral, earth to earth is pretty straightforward. Fast forwarding the video, with all the wires fixed to the connectors, now is to fix the power socket back to the wall. Time to test the new power socket outlets. Well, it took less than 10 minutes to replace it. Remember to turn on the power supply at the main. That's the end of the video. Hope you have enjoyed it and also benefited from the sharing. Thanks for watching. See you again.